Today we are making potato chickpea curry. This dish is super cozy and comforting, but also really easy to put together, so it's great for all those busy weeknights now that everyone is back to school and back to work. If you're new to the channel, my name is Linda and this is Vegan Petite. Now let's get started. What the heck? It's really hot, so be careful not to burn your tongue. Oh, the chickpeas got really soft. Oh my god, those potatoes are like piping hot in the middle. But they're fully cooked. The sauce is delicious. I don't think it needs any more salt, surprisingly. If you want it spicier, you could add a little bit more curry powder or some cayenne. But this is perfect for me. Let's serve this with some rice. Alright, let's try out this potato chickpea curry. Even though I did try it earlier and burned my tongue a little bit. It's so good! Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so easy to make. Okay. It's not as piping hot anymore. Super flavorful. You can serve it with a little bit of fresh herbs, some chopped cilantro, chopped parsley, whatever you have on hand if you want. You can totally serve this with a side of greens or some broccoli, kale, whatever you want to just round it out. But like I said, this curry dish is super comforting. Make sure to smash the like button if you don't want to burn your tongue. And also subscribe and hit the notification bell. I post new videos every Sunday morning at 6 a.m. Pacific time. So stick around for future fall recipes. I'm excited for the fall season coming up. Comment below, what fall recipes do you want to see on the Vegan Petite channel? Bye, I'll see you next week. Do it. 1 can of coconut milk. And that would have been a good blooper. Oh my god, it's solid. Shit. There it is. Oh. I post new videos every Sunday morning at 6 a.m. Pacific time.